there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite plants, which is the Spekboom. You might be wondering why the Spekboom is so special. Well, let me tell you, this isn't just a little beautiful plant, it's a superhero to our planet. Spekboom, also known as the elephant bush, is native to South Africa. And it has pretty amazing qualities that make it one of my most favorite plants. Did you know that the Spekboom is one of the best plants for fighting climate change? It's excellent at absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, better than other plants out there. In fact, 1 hectare of Spekboom can absorb as much as carbon dioxide as an entire tropical forest. And here's something really cool. Spekboom uses a special process called photosynthesis. You might be wondering what's that? Well, most plants open their stomata during the day to take in carbon dioxide, but they lose a lot of water in this process. Spekboom, however, opens its stomata at night when it's cooler, absorbs carbon dioxide and stores it. Then, during the day, it uses the stored carbon dioxide for photosynthesis, all while keeping its stomata closed to conserve water. Pretty smart, right? This is why the Spekboom is so amazing for dry climates. It's drought-resistant, low maintenance, and can survive in places where many plants struggle. Plus, it releases oxygen during the day, improving air quality for everyone around. Oh, and did you know these leaves are edible? They are packed with nutrients and have a tangy taste. Both humans and animals like elephants love munching on them. Talk about being versatile. So, if you're looking for a plant that's easy to take care of, great for the environment, and just plain and awesome, Spekboom is one for you. Let's all plant more of these wonderful little heroes and do our part for a greener planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. For more videos, please stay tuned. Bye.